How to insert PDF file in Word. Everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, open Word. Open a blank document. After that, go to Insert. Here you will see the option Hyperlink. You can also simply click Ctrl plus K or select Hyperlink from here. After that, all you have to do is open a PDF and you will be done. So after you follow the link over here, you will be redirected to the PDF that you just inserted. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.